Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Haven't said that in ages actually, but if you are new around here, welcome. We are going to do a quick journal with me. So what that looks like is 3 prompts usually. I've got some here. And we just journal together, and these videos are perfect for if you are someone who struggles to find time to journal, and you would like some guidance. Maybe you open your journal and you look at the page and you're like, oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm doing, I don't even know where to start or what to write. So these videos are perfect for you. I'm currently sitting on my legs and it's a little bit painful. Before we get stuck in, I just want to quickly shout out the True Self Society, because if you've seen some of my other recent videos, you will know that the doors are currently open for enrolment. So let me just give a really quick overview of what the True Self Society is. It is my community membership for the True You. It's my women's community membership. It is a space where like-minded human beings can come together and connect and journal and get stuck into some self-discovery, self-exploration, personal development. If you are someone who's on a bit of a journey already, or you're just trying to figure out what life is all about, then this is a perfect place for you. We come together for monthly calls. We have monthly community coaching calls. We have bi-monthly journaling and creativity calls where we get stuck into some really cool creative exercises and journaling. I mean, there's so much journaling in this community. We have weekly prompts and weekly exercises and different activities for you to get stuck into. It's hosted on a platform that is not social media. It's hosted on Mighty Networks. There's an app, so you can really access everything as and when you want to. We have monthly workbooks and monthly themes. The theme for November, we are currently exploring the concept of letting go and whatever that means for you, because letting go means different things for different people. Something we've been talking about and exploring is this concept of letting go of expectations, and now whether that's the expectations that you put on yourself or the expectations from society, but how would it look and feel to let go of all those expectations? So we've been really kind of getting into a bit of a conversation about that, which has been really interesting. There is a whole library of guided, I've said a lot, apologies, guided meditations, visualizations, tons of prompts for you to access. If you join now, you get access to all of the past content, all of the past themes, workbooks, workshops. Goodness me, I can't talk today. Workbooks, workshops, masterclasses. It's because I'm trying to talk really fast. There's so much goodness in there. So if you're someone who's feeling a little bit alone, a little bit lost, a little bit stuck on your journey, or maybe you haven't even started your journey yet, but you know that you want more from life and you actually want to discover a bit more about who you are, who your true authentic self is, and start creating a life on your own terms, then this is the space for you. So I will leave the link in the description box. You can go and read all about it. You can sign up. Enrollment is open until midnight on Monday the 28th of November. So you've got a little over a week from when this video goes out to get yourself signed up. It's £28 a month or £280 for the year. It is a fantastic community space, and it's such an empowering space, and the connections and the engagement and the depth of exploration and connection that the people have in there already is amazing. So I encourage you to go and have a look at what it's all about. If you have any questions, you can drop me an email. My email address is in my bio, or head over to Instagram, drop me a DM, just get in touch if you have any questions. And with that all being said and done, let's get stuck into this week's journal with me. Okay, so I've got some questions over here. I know I just said let's get stuck in, but I just really want to quickly tell you something. So I'm using this journal at the moment. This is my journal with me journal, but I am looking to change my journaling setup, and there will be some videos coming on this as and when I do it, but just wanted to kind of put that out there. I feel a bit disconnected from my journaling at the moment, so I want to change up the way in which I do it. So yeah, you can expect some content on that coming soon. But we're gonna go with I've got 3 sets of prompts here, you see. So I'm gonna start with, do you know what, I'm gonna start with this one because this is my favourite prompt and I don't think I've done it for a while, but it's how am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? And we will go for 3 minutes on this one. Okay, and the next prompt is, what are the words that I need to hear and from whom? What are the words that I need to hear and from whom? And we'll go for 3 minutes again. think honouring this month's theme in the True Self Society, this prompt is, what do I need to let go of that no longer serves me? What do I need to let go of that no longer serves me? We'll go again for 3 minutes. Okay, my darlings, that is your prompts for today. I hope you've found them useful. I hope they've been enlightening for you. If you have any questions about the True Self Society, let me know. I am going to try. I don't know if it's going to work, so this is just a quite a I'm going to put this out there. I don't know if it's going to work, but I did a Q&A on Instagram, so I'm going to see if I can upload that to YouTube as well. So if you want to go and look for that on my channel, you can. Otherwise, all the information is on the website. But I am sending you so much love and wishing you a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week, whatever time it is. I do not know what time you're watching this video, so I am just wishing you a wonderful time. So I will see you very, very soon.